so relaxing out here. Yep, it is, sweetie. Huh? What is that? I see something over there. Elsa, Mommy, can we go check out what's over there? Okay, sure. But be careful, girls. Okay, come on. Come on over here. It's something pink.
I don't see anything.
Right here. This is what I was telling you about, Elsa.
Cool.
It's something. I don't know. It's some toy and a bow and a crayon and it's a pig. So cool. It's a Rapunzel doll and she has long hair.
Let's keep it.
Yeah, let's keep it.
I'm gonna get this.
Oh, and I think this is a JoJo bow. I love JoJo bows. Let's keep this too.
And
yeah.
I need some more crayons.
I know.
Cool.
Come on, yay! Woohoo! Come on, Elsa, let's go.
Look, Anya, before we go, look, the pig is eating a crayon.
Oh, that's so funny.
Let's go show our mommies what we
Okay.
got.
Stop right there.
Huh? Who was that?
Who was?
What do you have in your hand?
Just some toys we found.
Well, you took them. They're mine.
No, they're ours. We found them, so we're keeping them.
Yeah, finders keepers.
Losers weepers.
Well, that was my treasure. You don't take stuff from someone who's bigger than you.
We're sorry. Well, maybe we can get something else to give it to you.
Anya, he seems pretty mad. Let's just give it back.
No, I don't think we should.
Here to me.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh?
What do you
Ha! What are you gonna do to me? What are you doing to me? Come here, you.
Okay.
Maybe you'll learn your lesson.
Good luck escaping. We better call the girls now. Anya!
Elsa!
Girls, come on, we're leaving.
That's weird. They're not answering.
I know, they're not. We better go see where they are.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Elsa, Anya, girls.
Hey, look. This is funny.
Woo! That tickles. Girls.
Girls!
Girls.
Girls.
Oh, what is this?
Huh.
Oh, I think, I remember Anya saying she saw something, and I think this is it. It's a bow and a princess.
Yeah, but usually they come and tell us what they found.
I know, yeah. But I have a feeling that there's someone lost.
Yeah, they're probably gone.
Stop, Chrysos, they're not gone.
Just kidding. But we'll find them, hopefully.
Yeah, we will. So, yeah. Girls, where are you?
Girls.
Girls, you want ice cream?
Girls. Huh? What's that sound?
Yeah, I hear it. It sounds like someone needing help.
Oh no, what if it's the girls?
Yeah, what if it's the girls?
But no, I think they're fine. So let's just think positive. Come on, let's go look for them. Girls?
Girls?
Oh no! What happened to you? Come on, let's get you undone. Whoever did this to you.
Come on, stop right there. Huh? Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Mr. Evil Frog. Stop doing that. Those are our children, not yours. Well, I kidnapped them. What did
Why?
you kidnap them for?
Yeah, why?
Because they were taking my treasure.
I don't think they mean to take your treasure, did you, girls? Why don't you let them go?
Because they need to learn the lesson and realize that they don't need to steal people's things.
I'm sure they didn't mean to. Just let them go.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're innocent little girls.
Yeah, that's right. I'm not letting them go no matter what you tell me.
Everyone, get a stick and hit him.
Okay.
Hit him. Hit him. Ow, 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 ow. Come on, hit him more.
Ow, ow, ow. Come on.
Ow, 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 ow. Ugh. Are you going to stop and let them go? Or we're
Yeah.
going to hit you more?
No, I'm not letting them go. Okay, hit him more. Come on, are you gonna give up? No, I'm not. Okay, well, we're just going to leave, right, Kristoff and Anna and Tony? Yeah, that's right. Oh, well,
Yeah. Yeah, we don't care
because
about.
I still have them.
We don't care about those girls.
Let's go.
Yeah.
He thinks we're gone, but we're not really. So we're gonna hide. The plan is we're gonna hide behind somewhere, and then when he leaves to go do something, we're gonna hurry up and get the girls. Good plan. Thanks.
My sister always has a good plan.
Yep. All right, everyone. I'm hiding back here so I can see if he's leaving or not. Okay, I'll find somewhere else to hide with them. Tony, Elsa, I'm just gonna hide in here with you guys.
Okay, come on, Kristoff.
Now that they're gone, I'm gonna go and get me something to eat. No, I'm not getting you anything, just me. Now you stay right here. Guys, he's gone. Come on. Hurry up, follow me. We're gonna hurry up and get them out and save them. Come on.
Okay,
We have to tiptoe so he doesn't hear us. Okay. Yeah. Just because he's out there eating something doesn't mean he won't hear us.
Yeah.
You're right. Come on. Tiptoe.
Shh.
Girls. Be quiet. Well, let's get you girls out. Come on, Kristoff. Help me get Anya. Y'all get Elsa. Okay. Come on. Let me tear this off of you. Mommy. Shh. Mommy, hurry up. Let's get you out.
Come on. Let's get you out. Almost got you. Got you.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mommy and Daddy. I thought you were going to just leave us here. No, we were just pretending. We would never say anything like that. Group hug.
And there we go. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Glad you're okay. Yeah, me too. I was scared. Like, I would never see y'all again. And I'm never gonna steal anyone's stuff. Well, I know you didn't mean to. Yeah, I didn't. Glad you're okay, Elsa. Yeah, glad you're okay.
Yeah, you too.
I'm so glad we got them out in time.
Yeah. Yep. Oh, we better go. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Oh, girls, where are you? I ate my lunch without you. What? Girls? No!